Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Lucas Dantas here. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about Facebook because I felt like I need to. I've seen a lot of people making a lot of mistakes when it comes to Facebook ads. Some people think Facebook ads are dead. Some people really think that Facebook ads do not work anymore, but that's not the case. And I want to show you that Facebook ads work in the most simple way possible. I have the most simple funnel you can think of, and I'm gonna show you how I'm able to generate leads consistently for a client with this campaign strategy. You will see right here on my screen, I only have created 3 campaigns for this client. I'm gonna show you the results right now. So this company, they sell fleet bumpers. So they sell protection for bumpers for ambulance vehicles, any sort of vehicle that needs protection, you know, like trucks, ambulance, cop cars, any type of cars that using service that needs protection. They provide bumpers, and we have chosen Facebook to promote their products. But let's look into this strategy right now. You see right here, I have one video view campaign, and I also have a lead generation campaign. On this video view campaign, let's look into the targeting options here. So when I open this campaign, I can click on this here. So our goal when we run this video is to reach as many people as possible. We have started only 150 miles away from Abingdon, Illinois, where they're located. And as time has passed, we have increased the radius. We have increased a lot. Right now, let me show you the areas we're targeting right here. So this is all the states we're targeting. We're targeting St. Louis, Missouri, just the city, but also we're targeting Illinois, Indiana, Iowa, Kansas, Minnesota, Wisconsin. We want to reach as many people as possible because they can sell to the whole United States. But our lead generation campaign have a different targeting option. Let me show you. So I'm gonna go to campaigns, I'm gonna go to leads, and right here, I'm gonna show you what I have done here. You are probably familiar with this, instant forms. That's how we generate the leads. And right here on targeting, we're spending $10 a day, and we're targeting the following audiences: website visitors the last 30 days, and then I have also created Facebook engagement last 10 days, and video view, people who have seen 50% of the video. I have created an audience just to have those people to be able to target them. Everyone that have seen more than 50% of the video are people who have shown more interest than others. So I am targeting them, but the cream of the cream here is the lookalike audience. I have generated 6 lookalike audiences for Facebook engagement in the last 10 days, and also video view, people who have seen more than 50% of the video. I've created lookalikes, and I have added to all of these lookalikes, I have added to the same ad set. And this is the setup that we were only targeting Illinois in this case. And with this setup, we're able to generate in the last 2 months. Let me open up here. I probably have to do custom. I'm gonna start from November until 18th because we only started lead generation campaigns late October. You can see here in the last 48 days, we have generated 51 leads. Let's just see last month, 23 leads last month, $11.68 per lead. And then this month, we are on the 18th. So we were already generated more leads than the entire last month, just this month, and cheaper, almost half of the price. This is insane, guys. And let me show you the ads because that's important too. For the video view campaign, this is the ad we're running. Let me pull it up here. If you invest in the video, that means your ads are gonna cost less. You know, if you have a good video, if you have a good ad creator, your ads will cost less. So it's better to invest in a better video than having to spend more money on ads, because that's not a very good system. That's not sustainable. And this system right here, that's how we made this sustainable. Because for starters, we have a video trying to reach as many people as possible. We have this video. This video is how we reach cold audience with this video. We reach everyone. You see all those states. I'm reaching to all those people. On the lead generation, I'm gonna show you the ad creatives as well. So here you click on leads, ads for campaign, and these are the ads we're running. I have just added 2 new ad variations today, but this is the winner ad that we have, and you will see it's nothing special, guys. Simple ad, simple call to action, simple copy. The simple still works on Facebook ads. And let me show you the form. Very easy to use. Look, so we have here protect your fleet, and then we ask the number of bumpers needed, and then the vehicle and model. Then we ask for personal information, company name, city, state, email, phone number, and then show privacy policy, and thanks. And that's all. Guys, this still works. Facebook ads still work. You just need to think simple. Follow the system, use the same system. Use this principle. Create one ad to constantly reach new people and one ad to show them the offer. To everyone who have engaged with that video, everyone who have watched more than 50% of the video. Also target your website visitors and don't forget to create the lookalikes. So that's my main advice. If you're a local business, of course, if you're running an e-commerce business, if you're selling courses, if your business is more complicated, you might need to think of the strategy more truly. But if you are a local business, if you're a restaurant, if you sell flea bumpers, if you are doing HVAC, this simple system can help you get more leads. Just follow this. But don't forget, get a very good video and then show a good offer to them. When I'm talking about good offer, it's not only tell them that you're selling, show them a good offer. Something that your competitors cannot do, something that you can sell as your unique selling point. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not a subscriber yet, subscribe to this channel and see you on the next one.